Awesome. So in conclusion, let me round it up for you. What you should be looking at is this. Whenever you are in such market, is this: do not overload. The Bible say, "Afọjúdé." Do not forget. When the conclusion is whenever you see something that is alternating again, though most times market may alternate each other and still be selling and still be doing because this you can see that this alternation is still here, it's still below what? Still below this year. It's not here, you are not taking this way here. So because it's still below it, you can just come here and there's still that alternation here and then boom. Do you understand? You know, market has done what alternation here. This is the leg, first leg, second leg, third leg, then it goes down. Market can also do another one here. Come here, come here, come here. They stop here and equal this one here. Then push. That's it.
Again, use the alternation again.
When this can happen, when this can always happen, I've seen it before. That's why I said experience. You cannot beat experience for this market. Cannot beat it. Experience. I've seen it before. When things I don't say for this market, many things I've seen it before. Experience have made me saying it. I've seen it before. I've seen it before. So so what is always best is what in such case, you don't make based on overconfident or would you do anything. If you are saying such, take your little profit. It pays halfway is better now. That's why we talk that thing. Not be fool. That's why we say halfway is better now. He's not what he's saying. He's not a fool. He's not what he's saying. So what if you have taken a little small profit or that break even, you would have been cut a loss. And then you'll be so sure at this point that you actually sell it or buy. At this point, it's not sure you take it away and you come to what 1 hour, you see the full candle. It is don't break, finish your where is it? Yes. Let me go back. You see the full candle. Then you are able to then you will forget this, so you can enter for buy. And you will show that this thing is now it's a buy market. Then you see if you can then commission yourself for buy. That's all. So that is it. That is how to trade such. That's one thing I saw then. That's why we lost this switch. Now moving, I was thinking it will stop here. Well, it didn't stop here. Even the one you didn't stop here, so still go. I was still confident. Okay, wait, let's look at it. This came out. Now this year, run away now, run. That's why it has been test and it's what is going on. That's why we lost. Any question about that?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Awesome. Let's check the NZD as well. We lost that NZD as well. We are doing review. We are touching many topics. So it's a review. It's a trading journal. We are touching many topics. We are touching psychology. We are touching many topics. I hope you are following, sir. I hope you are following, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The enter.
Yes, sir.
So this one too, let me see. Where? Okay, this one I think we entered here. I saw a double top. See another one. What is this? What? Okay, let me even ask this here. Let me show you where I entered and where we lost. Yeah, you should tell me. That's what I tell you. That is crazy, man. Yeah, this one too, we lost it. See, when we entered here, let me show you. So you tell me why we lost that one too. Voila. We entered here. Yeah. The market come and go. Why? Why did you lose? Where should I go to? Why did you lose?
Go to flowers, sir. Let me see flowers. Where is the entry point, sir?
This place. this. Yeah. It's bigger anyway.
It's supposed to.
You say what?
It's supposed to be a sell market.
Why do you say so?
Because of the double top.
How do you mean double top? Are you so sure it's double top? Have you even seen that it's double top? Are you so sure it's double top? Have you even seen so sure? Are you sure it's double top? Why do you think it's double top? I mean, you, sir.
I don't know, sir.
You have to know. Look at it very well. Where should I go? You have to know. Where should I go to?
Go to 15 minutes, sir. Let me see what's
Or
happening.
daily?
On 15
Okay,
minutes.
15 minutes. Let's go 15 minutes. You enter down something. Yeah. Enter down here. Enter down something. Yeah, we enter.
Around there, sir. Where do you enter?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see a small W, but that's not enough. That's not enough. That's not enough. Let's go to daily, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. A minute, sir. A minute. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Yes, give me a second.
Yes, sir. I can hear you now. Okay, sir.
I'm back. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
let's
sir.
go. I'm done. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's do this one finish. Then I want to do something later after this. Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the entry point, sir? Very quickly.
We entered around here before it became bush. Around here. So around here. Yeah.
Yeah. Judging from price action, it should be a buy.
Okay, good. Why?
Because the market is on upward trend and it's forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Yeah. It has formed a higher low, so we are expecting it to form a higher high again.
Okay.
So I will go to 4 hours now.
Okay. Remember, I always told you that you should always be detailed with your analysis. Watch every site, watch every angle. Remember, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
So show me the entry point again, sir. I can also see a continuation pattern right in between, like I don't know the name of the something. It'd be like is it the morning?
What's that? Where?
Like in between. Yeah, there. Yeah, exactly.
What happened to it?
Yes, sir.
We're trying to print something. Don't, because you have not seen all these things happening before. Don't print, don't say on what you are saying now. People like me, person, they work mathematics. Call the check answer for back. Answer is 14. I solve is 9. I'm trying to work around solving 14. No. You get my stuff back. So
Yes,
don't
sir. Yes,
explain
sir.
based on what you are already seeing. Market already printed out. So you trying to
Like checking the back of a series.
you don't do have to. I don't do. Was all this high school. You solve questions and you see that it's 10. Don't take answer. I didn't get it though. There's 20. How come? You now begin to solve around the 20, trying to get the answer. And add 1, 2, 2 that is not there. Introduce the division that's not meant to be there. Now introduce 2. Introduce other additional 1. No, don't be so. You get. So don't do that for me. Don't do that. Those solve based on you have not seen the answer. Not trying to solve around the answer. You have to get no. Yeah, all this one has not printed out. We never knew the market would buy. This is where it stopped. Why? So you should talk, you should base on question. All this one should be housed. Stop looking at this side. This one should be housed. So stop looking at what may. Stop looking at this side. All this place we have. This is where the market is at the moment. Now, tell us what is going on. What is the loss? Stop looking at all this. Well, not trying to make your decision.
If I were to like cut the upper one off, like I'll be
Yes,
looking
now
for a double top.
that's what we call
At the
trading there now.
I'll be looking for the psychology level, like
Because I haven't subscribed yet. If I subscribe now, I will be cutting all this one away. I was because it's not big yet. Once that become big, people will have to do. Yes, now if they are cutting it away now, your eyes should not be clear. Then you now be able to know. Don't be looking at it because you already buy. I'm not trying to get.
Yeah, I'll be looking for.
I know. I don't want that one. Continue, sir.
But still yet, you know me, sir. I like to be very, very cautious. I'll wait for the reaction because I can see a reaction on the psychology level, or like I'll be waiting for an hem there right on the psychology level, and I will wait till the something cross past the psychology level on the way down before I enter my first entry.
Okay.
Do you understand me, sir?
Okay.
I don't know if you are understanding me.
I'll
wait for the hem pattern.
More or less like you see the short movement coming very well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because I'm not an expert yet.
Sir.
I can't go for sniper entry.
It's okay.
I can't go for sniper.
It's okay. Wait, sir. This is 4 hours. Let's see the entry at 15 minutes. You see how it came very well. So you now have to tell me something else. You now have to tell me another thing again. let me 15. You will see how it's come very well. You will not see it. because we did for 4 hours. So you're not seeing how it came very well. Let's go to 15 time. You go see how it came. How the sell came very, very well. You see how it did. No, from here. We entered around here. Now, tell me. Yeah, we entered around somewhere around here. Now, tell me. See the sell came, yeah, but it came stopped. This push, after this push one, we entered around here. And then it did here. I this strong push. Entered around here. So, and it came like this. So tell me.
Markets.
It is so good. When you go check answer for back. Now 12. And you answer na 7. You got 7. I mean, you don't do math in school. You say
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you do math now. Everybody did math now. Even after yourself did math. What is it?
Yeah, we did math, but math was actually the reason why I ran away.
Hey, voila. It is there.
That for that mathematics, I hate it.
When I was junior school, I used to hate it too. When I entered senior, something like that. It's just because anything you get yourself familiar with your friend, as I said, anything you attract will attract you too. So I'm with you, sir.
So we'll go for a sell market until I see the small W.
You say you go for what sell market until what? Don't say because of me. Oh. I want to have a valid reason. Anything you're saying, tell me your reasons. Valid one.
I told you, sir. But I'll wait for the confirmation very well.
That means
I'll wait for the confirmation.
As this one not confirmed very well, this strong bullish that came out and everything.
No, it hasn't confirmed very well.
Okay, how will you see your confirmation? How would you
I always go for already killed animal.
Not fresh.
Something that has been killed. I don't like going for sniper.
That becomes stale now. If it has been killed, then it becomes stale. Then that's stale, not fresh.
Yeah. I like to see more confirmations, like very, very sure.
How?
Very, very sure.
Like how? Is this from this one?
If I'm to start trading, because right now I'm a little break because I'm running the project. That's the reason why I stopped trading for now. But if I'm to come back, like I will be so cautious. Like I will wait for many confirmations. Many.
But if you wait also, now the market is meant to stop. You want to stop here now. If you now wait when you get here, you only be making like 3 or 4 pips, and that's all. And you thinking market is to come, I can stop here and then go back. You know as well.
Sir, what? I'm not after like many pips for now. I'm not after many pips. I'll be so cautious with my position size and everything. If I'm going to make just 20 pips, it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
So until I get
a total conservative trader.
Until like I can afford to I only risk what I can afford to lose. But I'm having plans towards FOREX. I'm having plans. I'll go and gather some money, then come back. So I won't be trading with fear. I want to just be looking at it. Okay. All right. So when I'm learning, so I won't run away. When I'm learning. Because losing can actually make you to run away. But when you are trading what you can afford to lose,
exactly,
it will be more easier.
Exactly.
It will be more easier. Yeah. It will be more easier, sir. So, sir, please quickly tell me before I go and do my something.
Okay, you want to do something?
Yeah. Quickly tell me, sir.
Okay, so that means that means this class won't be so long. You have an appointment to catch up with.
Yes, sir.
By what time?
It's raining. I actually have to go to the farm.
Oh. It's okay then. Maybe we'll move
to go and block some.
Okay. Okay, it's winning already. You want to go?
Nice.
Okay, to fertilize. Oh, now so that's right. Correct. Now I want to join you. I want to join you to do massive harvesting, not just for the family alone. I think there's
I actually do. I actually do.
I said doing small farming. There's what they call small farming. Let's say you can harvest more, harvest for the whole household, harvest for community.
No, that's not the kind of farming I'm doing, sir.
I'm just trying to say that maybe there's a type like that now. I think I did a gig in secondary school.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's called household farming. Let's say you can just farm, just say so yeah, your household. What they call, I think what they call is it commercial farming also? Whereby you can harvest
commercial farming.
Yeah, and then you sell it, and then when I do that one, so I go benefit. Anyway, it's all good. It's all good. Now,
yes, sir.
For me,
yes,
I haven't checked this out actually. But why I said when you're saying buy, you didn't look at it, you didn't look at your market way. You're saying buy. I'm not just find this, but what I'm just saying is market is crazy. Dynamism of market is crazy. Now, if you say buy, make sure based on market structure, which I see senses in it. However, are you considering other things, sharp? Okay, market has moved. Value, no value. The nation should be high. Look, are you not looking beside me? Are you not seeing what? Are you not seeing a breakout from this one? Is this one? Let me dive in so you can see. Are you not seeing? Are you not seeing? What is that, sir? If I've done it,
sir.
What's that, sir? Is it what?
Zone. It's zone,
what?
Sir.
Turn to what? What is the other word for it?
The support on. No.
Support turning to resistance. My turn to resistance. Yeah. I don't see that. I not seeing it. If I've done it widely like you, I'm sure you will see it. Because I didn't do it widely. I just too small. You didn't see it, so you thought. That's what I'm saying. So if you are looking widely, beyond all that, you look at it again. No. This must also be what? These are what? C1, C2, C3, C4, and it broke it out, we tested, and it broke it fully here. Next time it's coming back, it might want to respect it. And the market should also respect it and just break it through, push. Even as this trend line too, it doesn't expect the trend line as well. It's just small. It still break it upward again. Can you see what's going on? So when I just saw JPY was giving us what I needed, I just stayed with JPY. We were selling. That is it. We just sell it. I didn't even come out of USD anyway again. Sometimes it used to be USD too. USD. You are trading 1 or 2, 3 pairs that is giving you the money. Buy and sell. Then it's meant to say you already know. Then it's buy, you already know. You just the buy and sell. That's crazy. That's a market there. You go make some money. So can you see? Now? When I draw it out now, your eyes open. Maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Eyes open. Whereas you're not saying. So whenever you're analyzing, be open-minded. Look at the sideways. Look at they might be saying this one, and this is what I'm always saying. Someone else can come in and see another thing also. Wow. Yes, that's market for you. That we call analysis. You're an analyst, able to see beyond what an ordinary person will see, what an ordinary intermediate will see. You should be able to see widely. Look at your left, look at your right, look at your inside, into everything we're seeing. You want to analyze because of any single wrong, any single miss, you pay. I told someone that FOREX is the simplest way. FOREX is the simplest way. Okay, FOREX is the most hardest way to make the simplest money. I repeat, I told one of my boss that he got something recently that FOREX is what is the hardest way to make the cheapest money. Maybe so. Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm asking you, sir. I said, simplest way to make the hardest.
Is the hardest way to make the simplest money, the cheapest money. What is the hardest way to make the simplest money? I repeat, what is the hardest way to make the to make the fastest money, to simplest money? Though it's hard, but the root of making the money is so something but it may be hard. Be like person, but I would say, person one chop or from lion, what I talk about. You go see something maybe so. I talk say, and if I jack any, I don't talk. But see, we want chop something.
We not pata.
We not pata. You go see something. They go what the hell? That's it. That's the word. So if you want chop something, they go look at that's how it is. It's the hardest way to make the simplest money. However, you don't pay with apologies. You pay whenever you make a mistake, you pay with dollars. That's my watch. That is the statement I give. Whenever I go to my conferences or anything, you wonder. That's the word I give. However, you don't pay with apologies here. I'm sorry, sir. You don't sorry. You pay with what? Dollars. Whenever you make a mistake, whenever you make wrongs, you don't pay with apologies. You don't say, I'm sorry for market. I'll come back again and call. You don't pay that. You don't pay. This is our boss. I'm sorry, sir. Apologies, sir. You don't pay apologies. You pay with dollars. Once you make a mistake, you pay with immediately. Bam! Once you make a mistake, you pay amount of dollars you have to pay. You don't pay with word mouth. You don't pay with apology. You don't pay with I'm sorry, sir. You don't apologize here. We don't. So that is it. That's it. I'm already going to psychology. So that's one thing you have to check out for. You have to check out for it very well when you analyze it. You don't just look into one way of a thing. Look around everything. What could be the factor? Will this thing be sell? That's what we'll say. Whenever I want to take a position, whenever I want to take a position for buy, I will be looking for a reason for this market to sell against my buy. Then that will open your eyes more. I think that's the best way to approach this market. Yeah, do you get me? Let me come again. Whenever you want to take a short market, find a reason that this market will not go short, it will go long. If you're looking for every reason why it should go long, then that one will open your eyes the more. Am I talking to somebody? Open your eyes the more. I have to go short now. I'm looking at price action. I might go buy you. That you open eyes the more. Then you think I sit down where you think that if you think so, that is how it should be. For me, what I considered was the cycle was the neckline. This is a support turning to resistance. So it already shows small. Let's go. Let me show. It already shows small. This thing here. Let me show. Let me see forward. I did show a small this thing here. Can you see? A double top also as it's showing us, I want to sell and come back to this our trend line, then to go, then follow finally. So because I saw that here, and I was thinking, that is just a neckline though. And again, it's already showing. That's why I put it. I sell and get disagreed about. You say that's where you see you are wrong. Dynamics of the market, you are wrong. There's no point in that. You can choose to do anything you want to do. You cannot stop him. You are wrong. You are wrong. So that was why we lost the market. So one thing I want to this market is that whenever you're going against the market, you have a tendency of betting being wrong or facing the dynamics of the market. I repeat, write it down. Write it down, sir. Whenever you are against the market, write it down. Note, whenever you are going against the market, whenever you are going against the market, the trend of the market, write it down. Whenever you're going against the trend of the market, write it down. Whenever you're going against the trend of the market, you have tenacity and the tendency of facing dynamism or otherwise of the market.
Come again, sir.
You have the tendency of facing dynamism. You have the tendency of facing, what's the name of dynamism? Dynamism is something that could change. Something that could just change. So we have the tendency of facing dynamism or otherwise of the market. Whenever you are going against the trend, that's the point. Because of what you're going against the trend, though we want to make it, because we see normally against the trend. So there is chances for what? Dynamism. Am I talking to somebody? That's what I see in this market. The other one too, that we just analyzed, that is the euro dollar too. You have tendency for you are going against the trend as well. There is dynamism for it. So that's why it's always good for someone to say, For a newbie, start with following the trend. The chance of you being wrong will be low. But if you are a guy, it can be making both left and right. Yeah, anti-trend, go on trend. Okay, you can be making both left and right. You'll be fine. You know what you're doing. But you're just following the market. You should follow the trend. At least there's a low percentage because of what market will move in more pips in the trend than against the trend. Like talking to somebody. So as a newbie, as a starter, it's always advisable that you follow. So that's one of the things again that factor our loss. Our loss. So that is for that. That is for that. So we lost that, and then okay, we'll do the rest. We did the third one. We'll do that later on. Maybe
yes, sir. When Mr. Wale is around too, sir.
Let me release you so
yes,
we can.
Yeah, thank you so very much, sir. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
My regards to your wives and everyone, please, and your kids.
All right.
Fanboy of the house. Fanboy of the house.
Yes, sir.
Do have a wonderful day, guys.
What do you say, sir? You said my wife.
You said what?
You said my wife.
Yo, no, I didn't say your wife. I said your wife.
Okay.
Not wife. It's a wife. Yeah.
Right,
and the fanboy of the house. Fanboy of the house.
All right.
All right. Thank you so much, good people. So
yes,
we meet again, guys, later in the evening. Thank you so much for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe and join us. This is what we do on this channel. Teach you and show you the practical section, practical life things about forex market and some things you will never learn anywhere, and we review them to you here. So do well to subscribe. If you love this content, do well to subscribe and hit us up. You can join our community. Click the description below to join our community group. And of course, if you connect with me, you can get to learn more. You know, this is what we do. And then we show you the reality and the secret that no one will be able to reveal to you. We show them to you here. Thank you so much once again as you subscribe to our channel. God bless everybody. Peace out and see you another time. Bye for now.